Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, my people, I'm here again once more. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Listen to this, my people. See, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show two damaged motor vehicles. And in the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that one motor vehicle that the person called a van in the video ran into a motor vehicle that the person called his car in the video, or his motor vehicle, as that somewhat said, then based on what the person said. No. So in my point of view, based on what the person said in the video, and based on what we see in the video, it seems as if the video shows some things that happened at the scene of where two motor vehicles collided. The video shows one motor vehicle with some holes in it that look like bullet holes. And you might be surprised to hear some words that a person said in the video, viewers subscribers. So while you listen to some words that a person said in the video about the situation and are those damaged motor vehicles, that's in my point of view, viewers subscribers, and tell me what you think. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
Big company van running into my car though. Running into my car though. Talking by speed and coming over a speed bump though. After coming over a speed bump, I speeding. Talking by speeding dog. You speed, you flying coming up in Thomas and shit dog. But you going mad and running to in my car though. And then saying I wrong. On top of that, them know just last night they shoot up my car though. Watch. Shoot up my car like they're trying to kill me all how by dog boy. I swear by dog boy. All my gal.
Voila. I think me hear gal-less number people. Yeah, I think me hear a bad word. I think me hear the word gal-less. Hold on, listen back that part. Listen.
Boy, all my gal.
You hear the words that the person said in the video, people? You hear? Last night, shoot. Just need those holes in the motor vehicle. Just need it. Here's my question. If you own a motor vehicle that go through certain things what me the person said in the video, what would you do with that motor vehicle? That's a question I ask you, viewers and subscribers. And would you like to tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that? Based on what the person explained in the video, and based on what I see in the video as well. Listen me. Oh, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video will be recorded, but the video is being talked about on social media. That's one of the reasons why I talk about the video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, the situation is set away. That's no joking matter right this. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video shows some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone crashed. Now, based on what I saw in the video, it shows when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone stopped at a certain location and then someone opened the door of the motor vehicle. However, at the time when a person opened one of the doors of a motor vehicle that I can see in the video, a motor vehicle that someone was operating was coming in the direction of the door of the motor vehicle, or where that motor vehicle was at, now viewers subscribers, and it seems as if the driver tried to avoid hitting the door of the motor vehicle and the motor vehicle crashed. Viewers subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where this video will be recorded, but I want to look at this video and tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to how a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone crashed, if you're in subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, I'm going to tell you what I think after I present the video to you. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So see the motor vehicle right there, so stop. Someone open one of the doors of the motor vehicle. Look. You see that? So in my point of view, it seems as if that motorist was trying to avoid hitting the door at the motor vehicle that was opened by someone. Now, in my point of view, both persons are at fault. The two persons there, the person who opened one of the doors of the motor vehicle, I find that person at fault, and the other person who was operating the motor vehicle that crashed, I find that person at fault as well. And here why. In my point of view, the person who was driving the motor vehicle that crashed was driving that motor vehicle somewhat too fast within an area like that. That is one. So may I say, so if I'm to say someone was more wrong, I would say, well, it's in my point of view, I would say that that person more wrong, and that's in my point of view. Because in an area like that, I don't think a person should be driving at such a speed. That's in my point of view. However, the person who opened one of the doors of a motor vehicle that stopped at a location that I can see in the video, that person, in my point of view, should be more careful when opening any form of motor vehicle doors, especially when you're there at a roadside. You have to be very careful. Use the rearview mirror. Do not put part of your body outside and them things there. You may never know what can happen. Use the mirror. Be very careful. You see me, I said, be very careful. Because, well, that's my point of view. So me, I say, I'm not going to say much more about it. But tell me who you think right from who you think wrong when it comes down to that situation. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, people. Oh, and here's another video that really and truly have me thinking. This video shows one of the wheels of a motor vehicle rotating in a wobbly way. Well, in my point of view, you know, I think that that motor vehicle was not totally fit to be driving on any form of road, viewers, subscribers. No, I don't know exactly where and when this video will be recorded, but this motor vehicle that you can see with a wheel wobbling and rotating while the motor vehicle was driving, yeah, that's dangerous in my point of view. But circumstances, sometimes you have to wonder why some people do some things. You see? Yeah, so tell me what you think about that situation. That video also is being talked about on social media. That's one of the reasons why I talk about it, dear subscribers. See? Alright? So being that's why we are talking about motor vehicles and certain things, you know, I have information to give to you about a very tragic situation, dear subscribers. And when I say tragic, it's really tragic. I got information that a motorist who was operating a motor vehicle hit a female with the motor vehicle and drove the motor vehicle over the female. The female received injuries from the incident, during subscribers. The female had been taken to hospital, and after a certain amount of time had passed, the female died. It is believed that the motorist was drunk when the motorist was operating the motor vehicle. It is believed that the motorist was intoxicated while operating the motor vehicle. The female who died is said to be in her 30s, and the age of the motorist who was operating the motor vehicle is said to be within the 60s. The incident happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. According to information that I got, and based on certain things that I saw in at least one video posted on social media about the situation, it is said that the female at one point was standing beside a motor vehicle, and it is believed that the female was talking to someone. And at some point, the person who was believed to be intoxicated and was also operating a motor vehicle reversed the motor vehicle and struck the female with the motor vehicle, and also ran over the female with the motor vehicle. At another point, the motorist drove the motor vehicle forward, and the motor vehicle ran over or on top of the female who was laying down on the ground at that time. At one point, the female was pinned to the ground by the motor vehicle, and a group of persons worked together in order to lift the motor vehicle from off the female. It is said that the driver of the motor vehicle had been charged when it comes on to the drunk driving part of the whole situation. However, it is said that the female died, so the driver could be facing more problem or more charges. I saw that a lot of comments have been made on social media about the situation, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, based on some of the comments that I read, it seems as if there are, well, I'm going to say, I assume that there are some persons who felt certain ways about the situation, viewers and subscribers. I mean, based on comments that I read, it seems as if there are persons who are speculating and assuming and wondering if the situation was really an accident or what. You understand me? But let me try and read from some of these comments that I saw. Now, please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that what I'm about to read from some of these comments might not be accurate when it comes down to the situation. And what I can see in some of these comments might not be accurate when it comes down to the situation that happened. You understand me? So one comment from someone said, jail is too nice for some humans. Another comment that I saw from someone said, I saw the video. It was like he wanted to kill her. It was terrible. And you know what? When he sober up, he would say he don't know what he did. A blackout, you call that. Look at his age. You can't handle alcohol. Leave it alone. The poor lady got her death innocently. I'm going to leave out that part for a certain reason. And condolences to her family. So sad. See? Alright, so me see another comment that had made by someone said, well, this is madness. WII, RIP. My dear, you lost your life. Innocent. WHT. Assad. WRLD. We live in today. I think certain letters missing from certain words. That's what you understand me. See, me see another comment from someone that said RIP. You know, and for certain reasons, I'm going to skip out some of them comments. You know, me see one comment that said very, very sad. Condolences to her family and friends. And me see a comment from someone that said he need to get life in jail with hard labor. Seriously. Real one sad situation, my people. For certain reasons, I'm not going to read some of the comments that I see, my people, because in my point of view, there are some speculations and assumptions as to whether the situation was an accident or what. You understand me? I mean, I really want to say certain things, you know, but you can't let me know what to think about the situation. It really and truly look away for your subscribers, and the situation is being talked about on social media. That's why I talk to you about it. You see? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. That's really and truly one sad topic, you know. My condolences.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?